I got a Gallardo, it doesn't start. And we will see whether it's a fuse or a rod is hanging out the block, because we just don't know, lad. All right, so from the top, turned up, flat battery, is the wrong battery. This is a battery I've stolen off Carl. The battery we took out is the same one, and it's wrong for these cars. So the terminals should be on the front, so they're a reverse battery. So when you look at a normal battery and you turn that round, negatives here, positives here.
Okay.
On a Gallardo, it's the other way around. And the reason you shouldn't put the battery the wrong way around is that is El Groundio Livio terminal. And what is that? It sits right under, I hear you ask? A ground point. Literally, go over a bump, and it isn't strapped in right anyway, because the front is held on by a bit of cut scaffold pull. That terminal touches that, right? That's like proper wrong. So, and that is because whoever's put this battery in hasn't got a clue. So it needs the correct battery, which is why I've taken the original battery out because it is dead helio. Put this one in, I've terminaled it up, and I've put it on charge.